Hey, what's going on, guys? Glad you found your way back to the channel. Hope you're enjoying all the videos. Hope you get some inspiration to go out and travel and have some fun and get out there and live life. I just want to say thanks for putting up with my video editing. I'm teaching myself the program right now, so it's a little wonky, but I'm starting to get the hang of it. So I hope you guys can put up with it for a little bit longer. Just hanging with me every Wednesday at 4 o'clock. I'm putting out a new video, like I said. So you can always look forward to a new episode. Yeah, and if you've got anywhere that you would like for me to go, write a comment. Like, I'm always in for suggestions, looking for new places that I don't know about, that you might want to see, that you might want to visit, and you might want to see before you go there. So yeah, shoot some comments down below, and like and subscribe. That will help me out tremendously. I'm trying to get this channel launched, trying to get it off the ground. So bear with me. This is my first trip. I'm still trying to learn how to film correctly. Like, you think you know what you're doing, but at the end of the day, you can only video edit what you film, and that's what I'm realizing. So I think we're getting better and better. But yeah, thanks for hanging out, guys. Hope you enjoy this video. This video is gonna be Hattiesburg camping to back home. So just a drive back home and a little camping, having some fun, finishing off that first adventure. Lots to come, so see you guys. Hey, what's up, guys? Let's see, we are in Mississippi. We just crossed the line from Louisiana. We stayed in Shreveport last night. We are headed to a campsite just outside of Hattiesburg, Mississippi. We're gonna stay there for the night. It looks pretty nice. Nice little lake and stuff. I just stopped at the old grocery store, got me a steak, baked potato, some butter, and some tomatoes, and we're gonna do it right tonight. So yeah, so I'll show you when we get to the campground. All right, see you guys in a bit. Guys, we made it to here. We're outside of Hattiesburg. Got an electric tent site with water. It came to 35 bucks, which seemed pretty nice. We're gonna set the tent up and have some fun. All right. Well, let's set the old tent up. Brand new. Good about it. I have a habit of breaking tents. We were in Colorado and it started snowing and like sleet raining, and we go to get out so we can move it to the truck, and the zipper gets cut, and I'm like, fuck, all our sheets and stuff are gonna get wet. So I stuck my body through it a little bit and I went shkadaba, broke that tent. I break a lot of tents, so we'll see if we can fix it already. Well, we got the tent up, got my bed all made up, feather bed folded in half, feather blanket, they rock with goose down. Yeah, I'm gonna go, I'll show you around here in a minute. Let me get all this shit finished off.
Well, I got the campsite set up, and we're gonna do a little tour of the campgrounds. Let's see. Nice little campground. Babushka. Oh. Well, it's been super fun. Just wanted to say a little bit, like, not everything you do always comes out to plan. So I think that's a good way to, nothing's ever gonna work out right. Nothing's ever gonna be perfect for you. So you gotta roll with them punches. Just like what happened to my brother. We rolling with the punches now. And we're just living. So this trip was supposed to go to Colorado. We got stuck in the ice storm in Oklahoma City. We're damn 6 hours away. All the road closed. So we had to figure out what we were gonna do. So we picked it up and we headed back east. So we stopped at the casino last night, did some gambling. Waste of money, always. And then today we did another like 6-hour drive to camp. It's a nice, beautiful campsite. Yeah, I like it so far. You cannot beat it. It's just a nice little campground. It's good just to get out in nature, cook you some food, have some fun. So we're gonna go on a little trip. I think there's another lake up here somewhere that we're gonna go and figure out what it's all about. So stay tuned, and we're gonna hit up some more stuff. You're good. Alright, let me check out this dock here. So this campground, if you want to come, is the Okatomoka Campground and Resort. It's just north of Hattiesburg, Mississippi. Ooh. Ooh, it's a little jumpy. The old floating dock. He said there's a bunch of bass and catfish in here. I ain't got the old pole. I didn't think I was gonna be fishing. But it's pretty sweet. Alright, they say you got 2 pools. I guess that's 1. Is that 2? Oh, that's considered 2. You could go take a dip, and I bet you it's cold as shit. They look nice. I wonder if it's heated. Let's go give her a feel. Oh, that bit's locked up. I don't think you can do it. No go on the pool. Too damn cold. Alright, let's go check some other stuff out. There's a dock. Let's go see how it feels. Sweet campsite. That's the road you come in on over on the other side of the lake. And this is an exit road. So this is like one way around, like a loop. Beautiful day. It's about 55, 60 degrees. I got a little chilly when I was putting up my tent. Tonight's supposed to be like in the 40s, 45 to 48, I think it said. So it's chilly. It'll be a little chilly. So you never know. We're gonna get up early probably. The Gator game's on at 6:30 Florida time. So we're gonna go try to make it. All right, here we go. part so far. It's shallow, real shallow. So, coming toward the end of the last adventure. Life threw us some lemons. We didn't make it to Colorado because of the ice storm and the snow, but we made it places and we adventured for the last 5 days. And I already got a trip booked to Colorado, so we're gonna make it to Colorado. It's in 2 months, so after this video comes out, probably about a month later, you'll be able to see all my Colorado adventures. You guys came along with me. It's been a great time. Hopefully you guys like my stuff, and we definitely gonna be getting more adventures. This is just the first one. This was an impromptu, pack the truck up, jump in, see where we can go. Didn't expect a winter storm in October, but yeah, so next one, we're gonna be doing some funness too. Back here at Hattiesburg, we gonna start a fire. Let's see what we get. All right. Sheboygan. Dinner time. Beautiful. Tomatoes, rib or New York strip, baked potato with cheese and butter. Now it's eating time. Oh. All right. Let's see. Feels pretty good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Juicy. Very good. Alright guys. I'm gonna eat dinner. See you guys later. Oh yo. What's up guys? Oh, just got in the tent, laying down. It's gonna get down in the 40s tonight, so hopefully it's not too cold. I got a feather blanket down on the ground for a feather bed, and then I got 2 blankets, so we will see. But yeah, it's been a good day today. Old Hattiesburg. Got steak and potatoes in me. I think I'm gonna watch a movie. Try to fall asleep. I'm gonna get up early as hell tomorrow. Try to make it home. It's about a 9 to
10-hour drive. But definitely doable. So let's try to get some snooze and see what happens tomorrow. Go see the old wife. I miss her. And yeah, we'll be home. Hopefully we can be home before 6:30 to watch the Gator game. So we will see. But it was a fun day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Night.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
We finally made it. New Smyrna Beach, Florida.
And you just got a new
back home. Alrighty, let's see here. Mama C's home. There she is. She's home. Let's see. I like the way that you move. Alright. Let's go see the wife. That was a long drive. Nene, Dr. Doodle. Hi, guys. Oh, I missed this woman.
Come on, dogs.
Diaz, Nene, come on.